Sometimes when you start your system and then, oh my God, you see preparing automatic repair. So it is also known as blue screen of death, inaccessible boot device error, or hardware error. Well, whatever it is, let's simply fix it. So when you start your system, it reloads, preparing automatic repair, and then diagnosing your PC. And then finally, you see this kind of blue screen. Now we need to click on this, Advanced Options. Click on this button, Advanced Options, perfect. Now here you can see different options, but click on this, Troubleshoot, click on it. Okay, now click on this, Advanced Options. Again, perfect. Now, here are different options, but we need to click on Command Prompt. So, click on Command Prompt. Okay, now this is Command Prompt window. We have to check where Windows is installed in our system. So first, write C:\Enter. Okay, now write DI. Okay, but how you cannot see files? So Windows is not in install in C drive. So now we have to write D. So write D:\Enter key. Now write dir, enter key. Okay, so here you see different files, program, files, users. Windows, it means Windows install in D drive. So now we have to write cd/windows/system. 32 slconfig, hit enter key. Okay, now we have to write co-md backup. MD means make directory, MD backup. Now we have to copy files from Windows to backup. So write copy asterisk. Now space and then backup, hit enter key, perfect. So files are copied into backup folder. Now we need to write cdrb registry. Folder, now write der. So these are basically system files in registry folder. Now we have to copy and override these files into main Windows folder. And then problem will be fixed. That's very easy, guys. So write copy, hiic.asterisk, space dot, hit, enter key. So now write a hit, enter key, okay? So perfect, that was it. Now WR exit, and now here, you can see options. Click on, continue, and believe me guys, your problem will be fixed. So like and subscribe, play technical.